assumptions that are required to be fulfilled before performing factor analysis, abbreviated as FA, for a data extracted from a questionnaire or a survey that is based on Likert scale. Factor analysis is a multivariate statistical analysis method that is commonly used for analyzing items or questions from a questionnaire. So what are the assumptions that have to be fulfilled before performing the factor analysis? The first assumption is the adequacy of sample size. The number of participants that filled or answered or gave responses for the items in a questionnaire have to be sufficient. Rule of thumb is that for each item there should be 10 participants or more. The second assumption is that there should be no outliers, no extreme values. The third assumption is that there should be a linear relationship among variables. The fourth assumption is multivariate normality, that the variables follow multivariate normal distribution. The fifth assumption that have to be fulfilled is there is no perfect multicollinearity, which means that items associated or linked to each other with a high value. So there should be no high correlation between two or more independent variables. So the correlation between variables have to be not high, otherwise this could indicate multicollinearity. The sixth assumption is that the data has to be interval or ratio continuous data. However, the factor analysis can be applied for ordinal data. Ordinal data such as Likert scale, 5-point, 10-point Likert scale. The seventh assumption is the common variance, which states that the observed variables share common variance explained by the underlying factors. The eighth assumption is independence of factors. Factors are uncorrelated with each other. And the ninth assumption is that no rotation of the axis. Factors are unrotated at the initial analysis. If you are a student or a researcher and you have a data, whether it is quantitative or qualitative, and you want to perform statistical analysis on that data using any of the softwares listed here, whether it's SPSS, Excel, Stata, Jamovi, R Statistics, GraphPad, Prism, RevMan, GMP, Python, then do contact me to arrange for either a one-to-one private tutor session or a training course on any of these statistical packages. My contact details are given here, so don't hesitate to write to me or email me if you need a private one-to-one tutoring or a training course.